here we go. First actual night ride. I've done some fooling around, you know, at the campground and everything, but this is first time trail riding. So I am running the Baja Designs Squadron Pro. So that by itself is 4,900 lumens. And then I also just recently purchased a Tusk helmet light, which is 2,000 lumens on bright, which is what I have it on right now. And according to the description, off the battery pack that I'm running, I can run this helmet light on high for 4+ hours. So, and you know, that's more than I'm ever gonna need. So we're gonna go out for probably an hour and a half or whatever. But boy, I was kind of wondering what it was gonna be like, and I'll tell you what, between my headlight and this helmet light, it's like daytime. So I'm really curious to see if this is going to turn out on the GoPro, because you know, GoPros are notorious for their inability and low level light, but I'm thinking with how much light I got going on here, I'm hoping for the best. And it's so just my headlight alone is 4,900 lumens, and I know I could ride with just the headlight, but I wanted a helmet light also, so you know, when you're looking into the corner, or maybe if you stop for a rest or something, you can, you know, you got some light. Because the headlight on the dirt bike's gonna obviously be shining where you're pointing your bike, so it's just nice to have another little light. But yeah, so far I'm amazed at how good I can see. This is exactly what I was looking for. And I've seen too, a lot of guys, if they don't have a headlight, they'll run, so right now I'm running the Tusk helmet light, but I just got the single with a single battery pack. But if you don't have a headlight, they sell it in a set of 2, and you can mount them on each side of your helmet. And you know, obviously you'll have to have 2 battery packs, but that's not a big deal. But yeah, if you did have to go that route, doing the 2 helmet lights, that's still 4,000 lumens, which is, you know, ooh, plenty, in my opinion. So I guess I should say I'm running 6,900 lumens worth of light right now, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Yeah, I was just gonna say, the other good thing, you know, to having an abundance of light, like, you know, you could probably get away with just having one or the other, but let's face it, more is more. And you know, being out here at night, do you need to go fast? No. But the more light you have, the more capabilities you have. If you happen to look to the side and see a Chupacabra or Wolfman, because here in Michigan, that's a real thing, so you gotta have it. Alright. Wow. Yeah, Beta and I were just talking about how fun this is. I've literally been saying I'm gonna get out and night ride for like probably at least 2 years, and you know, I never make it because I'm usually, by the time the sun goes, oh, concentrate, by the time the sun goes down, I'm intoxicated already. So, but I think I might just have a new pastime of night riding, definitely a little more often, because this is pretty fun. Obviously, when you're in a time crunch like I was, you got to ride something close, which we're on the Big O, which is right down the road from my camper. So, I mean, it's just, yeah, it's just awesome. And the other thing to that too is, you know, we've probably ridden this trail, I'm not even joking, at least 100 times. But just riding it at night, it just adds that, oh shoot, adds that different element to it. So it's like a new trail. So yeah, Beta, he's just rocking that, he's got a stock headlight, so he's not able to see too good. So he's gonna order a couple helmet lights, well, at least one. I think he's gonna order the Oxbow, and I got the Tusk. So maybe we'll be able to do a comparison video in the future. I think they're relatively around the same price, and I think they're only 100 lumens difference. But he's talking about getting one that you can hardwire into your bike, so you never have to have a battery pack with you. It's something you can just keep the light itself in your pack. You know what? And if you get caught out later, or like if you intentionally go out later in the evening, gets too dark, you can just pull your helmet light out of your pack, plug it into your bike, and he'll be good to go. I didn't even know that that was a thing, to be honest with you, till I got this light, and then a few other people were telling me, well, Beta, and then Russell the Love Muscle, and between both of them, if I would have known that there was other brands out there that did that, where you could wire it into your bike, I probably would have went that way, because, you know, between him and the Love Muscle, they could have wired my bike, so wouldn't have been no big deal there. Oh, didn't see that little rut. That corner always gets me, even in the broad daylight. And as you can see, we're on the skinny. No 50 inches here, boys. Wow, it feels so good. Not just to ride at night, it just feels good to be back on my bike. It feels so good. Can't believe how hot I am too. Tonight's supposed to get, I don't know the date. It's Oh, it's September 19th, and it's supposed to get down to about 39 tonight, so get back to the campground, change some clothes, get some brouhahas, and stoke up that fire really good. Actually, a bunch of people are at the campsite, so the fire's probably going pretty good. But yeah, it's supposed to get pretty dang cold tonight. Oh, almost got it on film. And believe it or not, that is not from being careless. That rut system gets me every single time, man. Man, that was close. Here's that mother of a log. So, I made that good. I don't know if you guys seen my head go back when we were off trail getting popping those logs. A branch that was up high caught my helmet light, so good to know it didn't rip off. Now these things are pretty well secured to your helmet. They got like double-sided 3M. So, you know, wherever you decide you want to stick it on, you know, you clean your helmet with alcohol, stick it real good. Well, actually they tell you first to warm up the area with a blow dryer and then stick it on. And yeah, once I felt it after I was done at home, I was like, you know what, that isn't going nowhere. And guess what, I just about had my head ripped off and my head come out of the helmet before the light ripped off. So there you go, proof is in the pudding already. And just if anybody's curious, these are all held on to your actual helmet. Well, there's a 3M tape you put down first, but they're all, I feel like my headlight is down too far, but the helmet light itself is held to the double-sided tape by GoPro mounts. They use the same mounts. I know I'm talking kind of slow, but I'm trying to concentrate. The way out wasn't too bad, but on the way back, some of these ruts we're hitting are a lot steeper, so gotta be careful or they'll get you. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Alright guys, we made it back safe and sound. We were probably gone for maybe about an hour. We went quite a ways, stopped, talked for a little while, and then made our way back. But now it's time to have some beer. I'm just curious, did anybody know that palm trees grow in Michigan in 30-degree weather? See, here's proof. They grow. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like that, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming next week. Alright, peace out. It's time to drink some beer.